Let's go to plant tour with me.
Yes, you did.
At si Josie sa pinakalikod. Hanapin niyo na lang siya.
My heart, break my heart. If I find out you can't move, you better show me now, show me now, show me now.
Stop over. I'm sorry. Hey guys, we are here at the bus.
Nag-stop over kami dito sa may petrol.
Yeah.
Tapos
Yung mga nagsi-CR, tapos may mga
nagmamakdo. Nagmamakdo. Kami here lang. Kasi ang bus.
Hindi siya carry ng... Kakanta si Eve.
Ay guys, dito kami. Kaya saan? Naiyak. So dito kami sa bus. And now, may karaoke yung bus. Kanina, gusto namin kumanta. Kaso, nagdagdagdagan sila. So, naiyak kami. Kasi like, kung kalakakanta na kami sa kabiglan, dami. Nilagay na namin yung torete. Kasi, ayak. Let's go on a meal. Effective ba yan? Dito kami. Effective yan? Parang. Pang suka yan? Hindi ako nakapag-blush. Ako nalagyan kita ngayon.
Ay, cancel na ng happy birthday ko dyan.
Trying out Dubai chocolate. Chewy cookies. First one. Last fight na lang. Ito ay gawa ni Zion. Ate niya. Chowa. Bibili ako Zion kapag okay na ka.
Hindi pa nga okay ng mo yan. Hindi tayong basura kami.
Happy birthday!
First destination. Museum Y. Andito na kami pero hindi pa kami nababa.
So intrigued, I'm so intrigued. But what good is building if they can't find a beach? I don't wanna know, girl. So please don't do that to me. 'Cause it would break my heart, break my heart, break my heart. If I find out you can't move, you better show me now, show me now, show me now. 'Cause when I take it to the floor, you gotta get it.
Release the robot. So this is a collaborative robot.
I got some of this pretty little lady.
Hi guys! Sa Pabilog. Ay! Na-out of balance yung ano ba yung AI?
Call me up, call me up. I'm a little drunk and I don't need much. You could call me up, honey, you could sober up. Call me up, just call me up. Okay. So eyes look so pretty on mine.
Evelyn.
We're on to
Ang 7-Eleven pala, kala ko 7-Evelyn.
Let me meet you on the docks.
done location 2. Very quick. 30 minutes. 30 minutes na yan. Parang wala pa rin. Kasi yung saglitan lang. Sobrang saglit lang niya. We are done eating. Yes, I ate. Jabay. Gardenia. Sino to? Sila Kimi. Hey guys, last drop off the valley. 4 hours bro, 4 hours kami nandito. Gago namin dito, te. Be-withdraw si Fiona. Guarding our friend, be-withdraw na 200. So guys, we have a date here. But why? Oh. Guys, nakikita niyo naman kung nasan kami ngayon. As ano ba itong nasa likod namin? Getaway coffee. Asa sa doon?
If you stole something else Need a rush. Call me up, call me up.
Chauffeur.
I'm not even drunk and I don't need a rush. You could call me up, never sober up. Call me up, call me up, just call me up.
We're going home.
BSU muna. BSU.
BSU ka naman. BSU ang baba natin.
Nandito ka na eh.
So,
Pagbabalikin ka mo.
pagdating mo ng BSU, kaagaw mo lahat sa jeep, ganun yung mangyayari. Wow. We're going home. Pasalubong kay tita. Pasalubong.
As good as you look right now. I just might knock on my baby. I just might knock on my baby. Hey, Mr. DJ, play some of this pretty little lady.
We're going home. Alberna.
I just might.
Guys, let's go home.
I just might.